So here we have a young gentleman that has a couple of cervical disc protrusions that is putting pressure on the nerve bundle, causing symptoms into his arm. That radiculopathy combined with a supraspinatus tendonitis and a lateral epicondylitis, a tennis elbow, have caused him a lot of pain. The first thing we're doing is adjusting him, getting movement back into the neck. Then he goes up and he does traction to decompress the neck and get the curvature back into the neck. And then we're using shock wave on the shoulder and on the elbow. Massive breath in and out. And again, big breath in and out. Look to your left as far as you can and to the right. Good, thank you.